Hello, welcome back to Riddle Riot. Today we prepared for you Guess the Snack by Emoji quiz with 20 questions. You have 5 seconds to guess the answer. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First question, can you guess the snack by the emoji? It's Oreo. What is the name of this one? Almond Joy. What is this? Hot chocolate. What is your guess on this one? Sweet potato. Do you know this snack? Chocolate milkshake. What is the name of this one? Peanut butter cup. What is this? Strawberry milkshake. What is your guess on this one? Burger. Do you know this snack? French fries. What is the name of this one? Iced tea. Can you guess this snack? Milkshake. What is this? Pizza. What is your guess on this one? Fruit snack. Do you know this snack? Twinkies. What is the name of this one? Swiss roll. Can you guess this snack? Brownie. What is this? Nutter butter. What is your guess on this one? Cheese balls. What is your guess on this one? Sour candy. Do you know this snack? Cupcake. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. See you soon in the next video.